Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today I'm bringing you another comparison video. This is a new type of video that we're making based on our comparison charts on our website for various different products. Today is another dash camera comparison, and the product that we are going to be comparing is the new Viofo A329S versus the prior generation A329. And what's really cool about this is the A329S is now coming equipped as three different configurations of camera. There is a 1 channel, a 2 channel, and a 3 channel. For those of you who don't know what channels are, 1 channel is front view, 2 channel is front and rear view, 3 channel is front, interior, and rear view. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using our helpful dash camera comparison on our website, lockdownsecurity.ca/collections/dash cameras, which I am going to bring up on the screen right now. You can see it here. And I'm going to click the big blue button on this page. It's going to take us to our helpful comparison chart. If I go down here to the selector, I can scroll down and we're going to compare to start the A329 1 channel to the A329S 1 channel. And I want to show you some of the key differences that are in or that are basically happening with the A329S. So you're going to see first change is price has gone up a little bit, but that's because the A329S is offering you a few new features which I think are worth the additional funds. One of them is the new parking mode. It's called hybrid parking mode. It does require the new HK6 hardwire cable. We have not received that cable in stock yet, but it is coming. Basically, what hybrid parking mode is going to do for you is it's going to make the parking mode on the A329S more efficient than the parking mode that was offered on the A329. As you will see, image processor stay the same, viewing angle stays the same. That would be the first difference that you will notice, is that there is a new hardwire cable available, as well as this new parking mode. Memory storage stays the same. SSD support stays the same. Wi-Fi 6 with the 2.4-inch LCD stays the same. GPS logger is built in. Cloud support not supported on the new model. No safety ADAS driver warnings, no speed camera alerts, and the camera is still made in China. But what we have done to our comparison is essentially giving you this new field at the bottom, which tells you why would you want to choose the camera. If I look at the prior gen A329, you would choose that camera if you wanted 4K 60 frames per second. It was one of the only cameras that currently offered that. And if you wanted ultimate storage capability, which with a camera that supports the optional SSD, as well as built-in Wi-Fi and LCD screen, are a huge reason as well. Now, all of that applies to the new A329S, but what you add on the A329S now is the ability to upgrade it to a 2 or a 3 channel. The A329 prior gen was available in a 2 channel, but now the A329S adds a 3 channel to the model lineup. There are optional telephoto lens and weatherproof camera available, weatherproof cameras available. You can actually purchase the A329S as the telephoto configured version or the weatherproof version. Here at Lockdown, we are going to be offering those cameras as options. And then obviously, as I spoke about earlier in this video, I talked about the hybrid parking mode, the new HK6 power cable. And then lastly, the optional multiplex recorded video footage output is a huge plus. What this does is it merges all video images together in one recording instead of separate recordings for each camera. Why is that cool? It means that you can share your footage without needing to edit it. And I'm going to show you on Viofo's website what that looks like. So here we go. Basically, you'll see multiplex video, no editing needed, instant sharing. Records videos with any combination of camera views, whether you need a single perspective or a multi-angle overview. The dash camera gives you full control over how your videos are presented. So you can see here, this is a sample. If you shared the footage, you would have the front and rear footage side by side when you shared that file. That's pretty cool, and that's new on the A329S. If I go over to this window, you're going to see that the A329S is obviously still offering the IMX678 Sony Starvis image processors and the IMX675 image processors. The 675 is on the rear camera. The 678 is on the front camera, but the 3 channel version includes the 675 on the interior camera, which is pretty cool. I also want to show you something that's relatively new. We'll just switch over to the view here. Unfortunately, VFO's website is a little bit slow as I'm cycling through the images, but you can see that all A329s come with the rear input here and the interior input here. So if you buy the front camera, the one channel, rest assured you can in the future, if you want, upgrade it to have an interior camera or a rear camera. Uh, Obviously, you can also get the accessory for the SSD drive, which is going to allow you to have the extra storage, as we mentioned. VFO also offers the BTR200 wireless Bluetooth remote. That stays the same. The SSD drive cabling and ability to connect stays the same between the A329 and the A329S. And the new upgraded BTR200 wireless remote is new for the A329. All in all, we are really excited to have this camera released. We think it is a fantastic upgrade and will prove to be one of the most popular dash cameras, as the A329 was. Full disclosure, the A329 is going to be discontinued at Lockdown Security. We are keeping it on our comparison guide just to show you what the differences are, but we are switching over to the A329S versions in 1 channel, 2 channel, and 3 channel. I will include a link to the cameras down below, all three, the 2 channel, the 1 channel, the 3 channel. We'll have links to that. If we go back to the top of the page of our website, I can show you, for example, if I go to front and rear, here is some preliminary pricing. This pricing is subject to change depending on when you're watching this video. The pricing may go up, it may go down, but this is the pricing as the recording date is May 27, 2025. This is the entry or the release price that we are releasing for the Viofo A329S 2 channel. If I go back up and I go to the front cameras, I view all. You can take a look here. VFO. Let's do one. Oh, you can see here the A329S 1 channel 459, the 2 channel 559, and the 3 channel 649.99. If you or someone you know is interested in adding a dash camera to your vehicle, whether it be a VFO or any other brand, we would love to hear from you. I'm Jeff, lockdownsecurity.ca. You can reach me at sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, by phone, 1-866-824-4118. You can also visit us on the web, lockdownsecurity.ca, where we carry all sorts of different products, with dash cameras being one of the main products. And you can always use our website and our helpful dash camera comparison to compare which model of dash camera you're interested in purchasing. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.